Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of TikTok. We click on settings, here in this first page of settings as you see. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about TikTok and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.